it's a choice, one I must avoid if I wanna make noise. 7 billion people trying to do their best. It's slightly overwhelming, but it's exciting. Where among the people is there room for me? Must I work until I bleed just to get someone to hear me? I don't wanna play safe, don't want more of the same. Guess that makes me tight, babe. I wanna be better. I'll try everything, all that I can. Whatever I do with all of my effort. Whoa, all of my effort. Oh, all of my effort. Whoa, all of my effort. Oh, stop, take time to breathe. Try to look around, baby, slow down. Be where you are now. Eager to leave. There's too much to do, too much left to prove. Mountains still to 7 billion people trying to do their best while I'm among the restless. I don't think I'm special. Trying to find my footing there among the people. Working till I bleed. Maybe somebody will hear me. I don't wanna play safe, don't want more of the same. Guess that makes me tight, babe. I wanna be better. Try everything, all that I can. Whatever I do with all of my effort. Whoa, all of my effort. Oh, all of my effort. Whoa, all of my effort. I'm not afraid of working hard. I'm giving all of my effort. I'm not afraid of living small. I'll give it all of my effort. I try everything, give all I am to make this dream really happen. I try
15 minutes later.
everything, all that I can. I give it all of my effort. Whoa, all of my effort. Oh, all of my effort. Whoa, all of my effort. Oh, all of my.
Got pretty far, but ended up right back. Had a feeling you like that. I just put my fight back. Yeah, I know, it'd be you who give me my life back. I won't even fight back. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fed. Had relapse. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fed. Had relapsed. What to do? Think I might have lost my head. Left it all sunset. Full of heart, I've been missing it. It's okay. We missed something and I want it back. The withdrawal had me chosen, but I'm never going back. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fed. Had relapse. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fed. Had relapse. Yeah, it'd be you who give me my life back. I won't even fight back.
They tryna play us, so settle into the chaos. Your boy switch got two faces, now it's a face off. Yeah, there's no more to discuss. You already done speaking too much. Yeah, people who talk a lot usually never say much. On my ways, I try to stay above it. Feel the gravity is pulling me in. Should I stay? the shadows drag me into the grave. Spiraling down in control out of time. It's LA, yeah, the city of the angels, for the angels that are falling away.
Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay.
My mother told me I should trust my intuition, and my intuition tells me something to stay right. You've been deflecting all the simplest of questions, and that ain't gonna fly. My father told me I should keep my reputation in mind, and baby girl, my reputation's on the line. I've been defending you from rumors that are spreading, so don't hang me up to dry. But you've been staring at your phone, ain't going away from me, so I don't see the person that you're texting. Wish I believed you when you said he's just a friend. Whoa, what you didn't know is I could read the message you were sending in your sunglasses reflections. I don't ever wanna see that name again, no, because I'm coming hard on the line, and you should cut it into pieces once again. My friends were looking at me crazy when I told them that I think you're worthy of a second try. I told them nothing wouldn't settle to the surface on a 15-hour drive. Then we were rolling to the most ironic song that I wrote, when we both sang the lyric, never let me go. I felt the shiver down my spine as I looked over at you.